5 things I wish I knew about solar panels and batteries. Number 1, an in-roof system tends to overheat in really hot weather. So what happens with our system is we've got an in-roof system, and the panels, when it gets really warm outside, they don't actually work that well. So an on-roof system would probably be better because you get a little bit more ventilation under the panels. Also, you can get better output panels with an on-roof system. Number 2 is battery backup. My batteries, in a power cut, my batteries wouldn't work, so I would end up with no power. So I could end up with the batteries full, but I wouldn't be able to use them. So these systems where you can have a battery backup, so I would really look into that, and I would make sure that I'd have chose something with battery backup. Number 3 is the charge and the discharge from the batteries, and this is really important. So on our current system, or on our original system, we could only take 3 kilowatts out of the batteries. So for instance, if we could have had 50 kilowatt hours of stored energy, but we could only draw 3 kilowatts out of it. So if we had a kettle on and then we put air source heat pump on or something else, we would be drawing energy from the grid. And that's a really important thing to know if you're going to choose a new battery for your system. Number 4 is energy tariffs, and this is a really important one. So in the summer, when you've got loads of energy, your solar panels are powering, they're filling your batteries up, they're charging all your house, and it's amazing. But then when you get to winter, you've got to look at what solution you can find to make it the cheapest to run your system. But what you can do then, you can charge your batteries on an overnight tariff. So you can get a cheap overnight tariff, charge your batteries, and then you can use that power through the day along with any solar that you do get. And number 5, and this is the most important thing of all, this will take over your life. You will be on the app all the time, at least 20 times a day. You'll be seeing how much solar you've got, how much power you've got in your batteries. Yeah. If you're thinking of getting solar panels and batteries, then please check out the Heatable website. They've got a unique tool on there where you can design your own system and you'll get an instant online price.